In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Samsung Odyssey G7 black screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on what to do if you are getting problems with your Samsung Odyssey G7. This is going to work for any of the models that they have. So if you have the ultra wide one or the standard one, 27-inch, 28-inch, and so on, you will be able to get this done. So the first thing that you have to see is if the monitor is indeed receiving power or if it is completely powered off. So to do this, check the power cable. Make sure that it is thoroughly inserted and then press the power button. Now pay attention to any sort of LEDs. If you notice that the LEDs do light up and you are able to use the joystick and the buttons on the monitor itself to navigate through the screens, then this means that the monitor is indeed getting power. However, it is having trouble using the source that you connected into, such as a computer or your console. So if you notice that the LEDs are lighting up, then the problem is not attributed to the power source and you are good to go on this front. But if you notice that the black screen doesn't even give you access to the interface when you press any of the buttons or the joystick over here at the bottom, and you don't see any LEDs, this means that the problem is indeed attributed to the power and the monitor is not receiving any power. So you will have to either change the outlet that you are using or try other cables. Now, besides this, if you are able to access the menu like I mentioned when you press the joystick, you can try doing a software update. So go over to the last setting here, either on system or the bottom, and you will be able to find software update. To do this, you have to download the software files into a USB stick and you plug it into the back of your monitor. With the USB stick plugged into the back of your Samsung Odyssey monitor, you can choose software update and all of the files will be used to update it. So download the files from the official Samsung support page for your particular model and try doing it before. Now, besides this, it could be a problem attributed to the cables. So if you are using a low quality HDMI or DisplayPort cable, it can often cause issues, including flickering or black screens. So try using a higher quality premium HDMI or DP cable to see if this fixes the issue as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Samsung Odyssey G7 black screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.